Very good morning to all of you. This is Vinita from Bal Bharti Vidyapeeth Gohana. Bal Bharti Vidyapeeth, a home of true learning and ultimate pleasure. Welcome to your maths class, students. Dear students, now in this video we have to learn about real numbers. So let's start with the exercise 1.3, basically related to real numbers. Real numbers are those numbers which are having the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers. The combination of rational and irrational means to say real numbers are having two types of numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. So firstly, which type of numbers would be included in rational numbers? So bache, firstly, you know that in our previous videos we have already discussed about all these numbers. So bache, all types of natural numbers are included in rational number. All type of whole numbers are also included in rational numbers. All type of integer, either they are positive or negative, they all could be included in rational numbers. Terminating decimal expansion, those number which are having terminating decimal expansion, these are also included under rational numbers. And the last one, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग बट रिपीटिंग, मीन्स टू से जो टर्मिनेट भी नहीं होगा लेकिन उसका जो क्वेश्चन होगा वो अपने आप को रिपीट करना स्टार्ट कर देगा. दीज टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड रैशनल नंबर्स. सो नेचुरल नंबर्स, होल नंबर्स, इंटीजर्स, terminating numbers, non-terminating but repeating, all these types of numbers are included under rational numbers. Okay, nextly, which type of numbers would be included into irrational numbers? Only one type of number, that would be non-terminating and non-repeating. Means to say ऐसे ऐसे नंबर्स वुड बी इंक्लूडेड होंगे बच्चे इरेशनल नंबर्स में जो ना ही नॉन टर्मिनेट हो. मीन्स टू से जो ना तो टर्मिनेट हो, इट मीन्स उनका क्वेश्चन जो होगा वो रेगुलर चलता रहेगा, एंड नहीं होगा, रिमाइंडर ज़ीरो नहीं आएगा. सो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग, रिमाइंडर बच्चे ज़ीरो भी नहीं बनेगा और जो उसका क्वेश्चन होगा वो अपने आप को रिपीट भी नहीं करेगा. So these types of numbers are included under irrational numbers. So non-terminating and non-repeating. Suppose we are taking one example. Is it given 0.10? अब बच्चे देखिए यहाँ पे क्या given है 01 and here it is 001 and after that 0001 and you just see here these are further going on. अब ये आगे आगे चलता जा रहा है. इट मीन्स ये अपने आप को टर्मिनेट भी नहीं कर रहा है और कहीं भी रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है. यहाँ पे 10 थी, यहाँ 2 zeros हो गई, यहाँ 3 zeros हो गई. सो इट मीन्स दे आर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग. ओके, लाइक दीज आर द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. you are having that 0.50. अब now see you are having 50 and now here it would be 500 and after that 500. So these are further going on na, but not and. These are not terminated. Okay, so we just call these types of numbers irrational numbers because these are non-terminating and non-repeating. Okay, got to start our exercise 1.3. So our very first question is write the following in decimal form. You are having these types of rational numbers. Firstly, you have to write these numbers into decimal form and after that you have to tell that what kind of decimal expansion each has. कि ये एक एक जो भी नंबर आपके पास गिवन है, all types of numbers, that they are having which kind of decimal expansion. Either they are terminating, either they are non-terminating, non-terminating but repeating, or non-terminating and non-repeating. Okay, here now we are having the first question for that 4 into 1 by 8. So firstly you have to change into improper fraction, that 8 4s are 32 or 133. So then you get 33 by 8. So that will be your dividend and that will be your divisor. So you just start division. 33 को divide करो बच्चे 8 से, 8 4s are 32, 1 0 in point. After that 8 1s are 8, 2 you just take 0. Then 8 2s are 16, then you just get 4 0. So 8 5s are 40. So what's your remainder? Remainder becomes 0 na. So it means your quotient is 4.125, means your remainder becomes 0. So 4.125 ये टर्मिनेट हो गया क्योंकि आपका रिमाइंडर क्या आ गया बच्चे, 0 आ गया. सो विच काइंड ऑफ डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन इट हैज़ terminating decimal expansion because remainder becomes 0. So that's why this expansion is called terminating decimal expansion. Okay, next point, 3 by 13. 3 is dividend and 13 will be divisor. So you just start division. But when you just divide it, you just see 13 0.13 2 is 26, then you get 40, 13 3 is 39, then 1, then you just carry out two zeros together, so that you have to write down 0 at the quotient place also. Okay, and after that you just see, after completing these levels of division, after following these steps of division, you are getting 3 again. आपको एज रिमाइंडर 3 अगेन रिसीव हो गया. यहीं से तो आपने 3 से ही आपने स्टार्ट किया था और अब आपको 3 ही दोबारा से मिल गया. इट मीन्स अब आपका जो क्वेश्चन होगा वो अपने आप को क्या करना स्टार्ट कर देगा, रिपीट करना स्टार्ट कर देगा. सपोज अब आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, अगेन 2 3 0 7 6 9. इस तरह से ये अपने आप को रिपीट करना स्टार्ट कर देगा. सो वी जस्ट राइट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 0.230769. ऊपर हम लगा देंगे बच्चे इसके वेनिकुलम. इट मीन्स बार पुट कर देंगे. इट मीन्स अब अपने आप को क्वेश्चन क्या करना स्टार्ट कर देगा, रिपीट करना स्टार्ट कर देगा. सो विच काइंड ऑफ डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन द नंबर हैज़? The number has non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. Non-terminate क्योंकि ये रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ रहा, and start repeating start कर रहा है, so that will be non-terminating but repeating. Okay, so dear, like that you have to solve rest of the parts of your first question. Okay, your remaining parts you have to solve by yourself. Clear? Now dear, second question. You know that 1 by 7 equals to 0.12142857 वेनिकुलम. मीन्स टू से 1 by 7 की वैल्यू है ये बच्चे 0.142857 वेनिकुलम. कैन यू प्रेडिक्ट व्हाट द डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 एंड 6 by 7? इसका डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन क्या होगा विदाउट एक्चुअली डूइंग द लॉन्ग डिवीजन. आपको लॉन्ग डिवीजन मीन्स उसे आपको डिवीजन का फॉर्मेट, डिवीजन का रूल फॉलो अप नहीं करना है. विदाउट डूइंग द डिवीजन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 एंड 6 by 7. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सॉल्यूशन. सो डियर, सॉल्यूशन 1 by 7 एज यू नो इट इज़ ऑलरेडी गिवन कि 1 by 7 को आप कैसे लिख सकते हो, 0.142857 वेनिकुलम. ओके, सो इफ़ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ 2 by 7, अगर आपको 2 by 7 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, इन केस आप इसको 2 into 1 by 7 लिख सकते हो. आप इसको स्प्लिट करके 2 multiply 1 by 7 कर सकते हो. एंड यू नो दैट 1 by 7 इज इक्वल्स टू 0.142857 वेनिकुलम. सो व्हाट डू यू डू एट द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट? आप 2 की मल्टीप्लाई 1 by 7 की बजाय जो इसके डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन है उसके साथ कर दीजिए. So whatever you are getting as product, that will be the conclusion of 2 by 7. It means 2 by 7 का जो decimal expansion होगा that will be 0.285714 then veniculum. Okay, nextly 3 by 7, same step you have to follow in the portion, this portion also, that 3 multiply 1 by 7 and you know that 1 by 7 को आप किस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हो, 0.142857. Then what are you doing there? You have to multiply this number with 3 and whatever you're getting the product, that will be the conclusion of expansion of 3 by 7. Similarly, we have to find out 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. So dear, thank you. Have a nice day.